Hi, Finn. Hi, Amantha. I just wanted to say I like you. Thank you. Finn, don't you dare sneeze. If you sneeze, then you'll break up. You're literally right next to your girlfriend. Do not sneeze. I think it's gone now. Sorry, you think what's gone? You know what? Never mind. Bye. Phew.